Do you ever feel a knot in your stomach, a racing heart, or a mind that just won't quiet down? In today's fast-paced world, anxiety can feel like a constant companion. But what if I told you there are simple, powerful ways to reclaim your calm and prevent burnout starting today? And welcome! In this video, we're going to explore actionable strategies to manage anxiety, foster mindfulness, build resilience against burnout. No complicated jargon, just practical steps you can integrate into your daily life. As a practitioner, I've seen firsthand the toll anxiety can take on both our mental and physical health. But I've also witnessed the incredible power of small, consistent practices to make a profound difference. Let's dive into some science-backed techniques that can transform your daily routine. Our breath is an incredibly powerful, yet often overlooked tool for immediate anxiety relief. When we're stressed, our breathing becomes shallow and rapid. By intentionally slowing it down, we can send a signal to our nervous system that it's safe to relax. Let's try a simple technique called 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale quietly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Then, exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh sound for a count of 8. Repeat this cycle 3 to 4 times. Focus solely on the sensation of your breath. When you engage in deep, rhythmic breathing, you're activating your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest system. This helps to lower your heart rate, reduce blood pressure, decrease the stress hormone cortisol, literally calming your body from the inside out. Step 2. Mindful moments throughout your day. Mindfulness isn't about clearing your mind completely. It's about bringing your attention to the present moment without judgment. You can integrate mindful moments into your busiest days. Try a 5 senses check-in. Right now, pause. What are 5 things you can see, 4 things you can feel, 3 things you can hear, and 1 thing you can taste? This simple exercise grounds you in the present, away from anxious thoughts about the past or future. Mindfulness practices like this help to strengthen neural pathways associated with focus and emotional regulation. Over time, you're literally rewiring your brain to be less reactive to stress and more adept at managing intrusive thoughts. It's like exercise for your brain. Step 3. Burnout prevention, setting boundaries, and self-care. Preventing burnout is crucial for long-term well-being. It's not just about managing stress. It's about building a sustainable life. This often involves setting clear boundaries and prioritizing self-care. Consider these questions. Where can you say no to protect your energy? Treat your self-care as non-negotiable appointments. And remember, taking breaks isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for sustained productivity and mental health.
Chronic stress left unchecked leads to burnout, impacting everything from your immune system to your cognitive function. By setting boundaries and practicing self-care, you're actively reducing the physiological load on your body, preventing the cascade of negative health effects associated with prolonged stress. To recap, we've explored the immediate calm of mindful breathing, the grounding power of mindful moments, and the long-term resilience built through boundaries and self-care. Remember, these are practices, not perfect achievements. Be patient and kind to yourself as you integrate them. I encourage you to pick just one of these techniques and try it consistently for the next few days. You might be surprised by the shift you experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe for more evidence-based health tips. What are your favorite anxiety managing techniques? Share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.